Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin kung ano energies ng inyong love life ngayong May 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Ayan, so kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description. Okay, let's see, Libra, what is the energy of your love life ngayong May 2026? Bang! Oh, may pa-warning. Nako, maaring some of you are in a controlled relationship or yung person that you're dealing with may pagka-controlling. Manipulative. Be careful, okay? Okay, some of you, Libra, maaring delikado yung relationship na meron kayo ngayon na hindi to magre-resonate para sa lahat. But if you're resonating with this, you have to observe the person that you're dealing with. Lalo na kung meron tong mga issues yung anger issues mo. Meron tong anger issues na hindi mo akalain na ganun siya. Pwede ngayon mo palang ito na-discover or yung iba sa inyo, tinitiis nyo. Yeah, I think some of you, itong relationship that you're dealing with is instead na parang paabante, paatras. Kasi you're expecting na itong relationship na to ay magkaroon ng progress. Pero parang hindi siya nagiging progress para sa'yo kasi maaring mas nagiging violente yung person mo or yung situation nyo and becoming very toxic na lagi kayong triggered pagdating sa relationship. So, Temperance, this is also a very good energy para sa'yo na to be more patient in a situation at mas maging kalmado, okay? Kasi pwedeng mainit yung ulo niya, alam mo mainit ang ulo tapos sasabayan mo pa. Eh di talagang sabong yan. Magka-clash talaga. So, if alam mong mainit ang ulo niya, so mas maganda na take a step back and let it cool down muna bago kayo mag-usap ulit. Kasi kapag wala namang problema or issue, maayos naman, masaya naman kayo. Oo. Pwede kasing merong outside influence, no, yung person mo. Like, for example, siya ay may bisyo or, may mga, outside influence, whatever that is. Pwedeng bisyo, pwedeng barkada na nakaka-apekto sa kanyang mindset or sa behavior niya. So, some of you, nagpapakatatag sa relasyon na to, you will try to make things work. Yung iba sa inyo, titiisin nyo because mahal nyo yung person na to. You feel like, iba sa inyo, alam nyo na siya ay yung inyong soulmate or you are twin flame. You are very committed with this relationship. You believe in this relationship. So, ang iba sa inyo, kadil nyo ay isang Leo, Sagittarius, at Gemini. At saka, kasi to alam mo yung extreme na feelings or extreme yung behavior ng person mo. So, it's either paggalit siya talagang sobrang nakakatakot, no? May pagkabalulente, maingay. And then, kapag okay naman siya, sober siya, napaka-romantic. So, yun yung parang nahihirapan kang i-gauge na, ano ba tong kailangan gawin sa relationship na to. With the 4 points, some of you pwedeng kayo nagsasama na together or you have built a strong foundation na sa relationship ninyo. And I think you want to make things work with this person, no? With the 6 of Wands. You want this relationship to be successful. Maaring nakikita rin kayo ng iba as a perfect couple na parang walang problema, pero deep within you, kayo lang naman nakakaalam kung anong issue ninyo sa relationship ninyo. It seems na they are celebrating you or they are idolizing your relationship, lalo na kung matagal na kayo sa relationship na to. Some of you, mga high school pa kayo, high school sweethearts, ganyan, na eventually tumanda, nagkatrabaho, and then you are still together. And some of you naman may anak na. Kaya you are trying your best to stay in this relationship. Now with the moon, merong worries, no? May pag-aalala about this relationship kung ano yung mangyayari sa future. Kasi pwedeng may instability when it comes to the emotional energies ng person mo or even yung temper niya. So with the moon here, you are asked na to align with your instinct, with your intuition, to be more tawag nito, to be more aware or sensitive sa energy ng person that you're dealing with. The heart of the matter, there's more going on than meets the eye. So there is something that you will know or discover about this relationship. Maaring may mga other issues na involved, kaya merong anger issues or emotional outburst yung person mo na kailangan yung ma-identify at hanapin kung ano yung punot dulo nun para maayos nyo yung takbo ng relasyon nyo. Lavish the one you love with personal attention and affection. So, ito ay pagbibigay ng oras at panahon sa isa't isa. If you're in a relationship, it is your ang tawag nito, commitment. It is your responsibility na to be there with your person. Nabigyan mo ng attention, affection, kasi needs din yan. Hindi lang kung ano yung material na pangangailangan, but also, the needs in all aspects when it comes to relationship. And also, be supportive. Kasi, ang nasa-sense ka sa inyo rito, you are dealing with someone na merong issues sa pwedeng sa alcohol or bisyo, unhealthy habits ng person. So, you have to be supportive na sa kanya na tulungan siya. Kung meron siyang sarili niyang personal issues na pinagdadaanan, pwede kasi tong mga childhood trauma pa, unhealed na experiences sa past niya na nadala niya hanggang ngayon. And nakaka-apekto sa relationship ninyo in a negative way. But deep within this person, siya ay mapagmahal naman talaga. Kumbaga, meron lang mga bagay na naka-apekto sa kanya na minsan siya ay nagiging mahirap pakisamahan. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.